Come out!
It's gonna come out. It's rising to the top. And it's erupting. Come along with us today as we learn all about volcanoes. Watch as we make our own volcano at home. What are we making today?
Oh!
A volcano? What's gonna come out of the top?
Yeah.
You know what it is? It's called lava. Can you say lava?
Yeah.
Lava! It looks like this volcano has erupted before. Look at all this ash. Do you see it? Do you think this volcano is going to erupt again today? All right, are we going to try to see if we can get it to erupt?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get started. You want to add the ingredients? First, we have a 2-liter bottle in here that's third way full of water. And next, we're going to add vinegar. You want to do that part? All right, let's get the vinegar. Now Rhett is going to add the distilled vinegar into the bottle. There you go. Okay, I think that's good. Add a few drops of food coloring so it'll look like lava. And then here comes the best part. We're going to add the baking soda. You know what the baking soda does? It creates gas and pressure inside the bottle so it looks like a volcano erupting.
Yeah.
All right, you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, in there. Dump it. Oh my goodness. Look at it! Isn't that so cool? The pressure built up and the lava is escaping. It's going down the volcano, down the mountain. Whoa, look at that. It's bubbling. That was a fun science experiment. Did you like that? It's still coming. Just like a volcano can stop erupting, and then a little while later, it'll erupt again. And then all the lava will flow down the side of the volcano, and sometimes it goes all the way down into towns. And it'll leave ash and gas in the air.
It's rolling.
Look, it's slowly rising.
Like you. Oh, Mama. Come out.
It's gonna come out. It's rising to the top. And it's erupting. Isn't that so cool? Now let's learn some fun facts about volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface. An eruption happens when the volcano becomes active. The opening lets the gas, ash, and hot magma escape. Magma is the hot liquid inside the volcano. Once it erupts out of the volcano, it is known as lava. Some volcanoes are active, which means they erupt often. Others are dormant or sleeping and not active. Then there are extinct volcanoes. That means they will likely never erupt again. Volcanoes happen on land, and they can also be found on the ocean floor as well as under ice caps. There are about 1,900 volcanoes on Earth that are currently active and can erupt at any time. That's a lot of volcanoes. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned some fun facts about volcanoes. Try making your own volcano at home. It's a lot of fun. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.